Hello everyone, this is Dr. Sheetal Madan, a practicing homeopath at Vishakhapatnam from past 20 years. A warm welcome to my channel Rashi, a sign of abundance. I have named this as Rashi because I believe that health is a sign of abundance and Rashi means abundance. Today, let me give a brief introduction of this system of medicine, homeopathy. Homeopathy is a system of medicine where we use tiny amounts of natural substances from plants, animals, and minerals to stimulate the healing process in our bodies. Every individual has an ability to cure himself. So all that is necessary is to trigger the defense mechanism in our bodies, and that homeopathy does it very beautifully. Homeopathy was introduced by Dr. Samuel Hahnemann, a German physician, and in India in the year 1839 it was introduced by Dr. John Martin Honigberger, who treated Maharaja Ranjit Singh from the paralysis of vocal cords. He was known as the cholera doctor too. And Mahendra Lal Sircar went on to become the first Indian homeopathic physician. In 1973, the government of India recognized homeopathy as one of the national systems of medicine and set up the Central Council of Homeopathy. So, how homeopathy works? It works on the immune system of our bodies. It stimulates the immune system and increases the immunity power in us to treat or bring on the cure in our bodies. It is used by over 200 million people worldwide to cure both acute and chronic illnesses. And this system is based on the principle similia similibus curantur, which is like cures likes. In other words, the substance taken in small amounts will cure the symptoms caused when it is taken in a larger amounts. Homeopathy physicians work in the same way as any other conventional doctors. In addition, we do ask the patient about their lifestyle, their temperament, we observe their personality, their sleep patterns, their medical history, their eating style, eating habits, their desires, their aversions. All these things are also considered to arrive at a simillimum. So these are the extra things which we work on, and every individual is seen as a different personality. The beauty of this system of medicine is it is cost effective and a very palatable one. So even children love to take these medicines, and this gives a complete cure, that is, it removes the cause from our body. So when we are cured completely. I'm sure by now everyone would have got an idea as what homeopathy system of medicine is and how it works on an individual's body and brings in a complete cure of any disease, whether it is acute or chronic. So the one topic I thought I would bring up to you is the obesity, which is really a worldwide health concern, and this is one disease not only from the cosmetic point of view but also from the health point of view. So I'll be back tomorrow with the topic obesity. So if you have any queries on obesity, please do type in the comment section so that I can answer all your queries in tomorrow's session. Now, Dr. Sheetal Madan signing off from my channel Rashi, a sign of abundance. Good night, everyone. Thank you.